Let's hit her like a train on a track.
Keep your eyes on the road. Ah!
You're driving, Reins?
Same time. Okay, do it together.
You drive. You drive.
Me tell
Okay, go a little
where.
bit to the right. This way. Yeah, there
This
you
is
go.
terrible parenting.
No,
Okay.
straighten it out. Good, good. Okay. Now we're heading towards the green thing. Gotta make sure we're still heading there, huh? Okay. Now to the left, to the
Indy
left
boy.
a little bit. Oh, Indy. Are you driving?
My turn.
Wow, Indy.
My turn.
I know, let Indy have a turn for a minute. Look how happy he is.
Whoa.
Andy. Tata.
Indy.
Tata.
Yeah.
Make that one
Got some
turn.
poopy.
I think so, yeah. Good timing before the swimming pool.
You guys say
Daddy,
poopy.
make
Indy boy.
Rena, where are we? Tell me where we're at. The hot tub?
Yeah.
The hot tub's over there, silly.
Dad, you please help me get it.
Whoa, look at the water slide, Reins.
Daddy,
Yeah?
new water slide. Please help me get in there.
Okay, I'll help you. Come on. Wow. Okay, swim all the way over. What is Rainy doing?
Dad, come in here.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Hey, don't splash me. Where's Raina? Oh. Where is she? You okay?
Daddy, be in there.
There's a bee in there?
Yes,
Let's take a look. Where's the bee?
right there. Only bees fall down in there. It's covered.
What you think? You ready? I'm gonna jump in and get you.
No.
Indy, come on, let's jump in. He said, oh, hell no. Indy, where are you going?
Come get a ball, Indy.
Indy boy. Okay, Rains, here I come. Indy, ready? Okay, go. Okay, come here. Come here, Indy. Oh my gosh, this is cold. Okay, come on. Okay. Higher? Was that high? Was that high enough? And you got it, Indy boy. Big hug. Give me the big huggies. Come here. Come here. Ah!
No. My hair's sleep.
It's nice. If you want a nice.
Okay, you soaked me, girl. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes. Indy boy. Hi, Bubba. I love you.
Indy, come on. What is it? Come on, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Rainy, this way.
Daddy, that one ours.
What's ours?
That one.
It's okay. They can play with it. We'll get it back.
Maybe ours.
It's okay. Indy. Huh?
It's just chaos.
Rainy, keep it. Don't pour that out the window. Oh. Hey, that's good water.
Indy, focus on the
Get a
road.
drink. Indy, drive. Drive us back.
Okay, here comes a go-kart.
Indy boy. Where's Rainy?
Kind of like this. Hi, baby boy. You miss me? Indy, look at me. Come from this other end.
Look at the sunset.
Is it good, Indy?
Indy. More? I need more, Mom. Oh, that's
Aww.
a buddy. That's my buddy. Oh, no. Oh, don't get it. Whoa. Oh, you got it. Oh, there you go. Where's the Indy go? Where did he go?
You okay, baby?
Oh, there he is. There's the Indy boy. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Whoa, that was a big one.
How is it?
Good.
You like a marshmallow? Are you good? No. What do you think? Isn't that pretty good? Oh, wait, don't wipe it on your clothes. Let's here, hold your hands out. Hands out. Okay. Now we hold them out and then Dada cleans them. Okay? Hold them out and Dada will go not on Dada's shirt. Silly. Okay, I'll get you a wipe. I'll get you sit, don't touch anything, okay? Thumbs up. Okay.
Okay, ready, set, throw! Nice. Whoa. Girl, does that hurt your feet?
I find one.
Nice, that's a cool one.
Big one.
Whoa,
Here.
thanks. Ready?
No,
Ready?
no.
Throw! Nice!
Okay. Got one.
You done? Okay, let's climb this hill, girl. You need a hand?
Yes. Go up.
That was fun throwing rocks. You have fun?
Run. Run.
Wow! What do you think of the beach at night? I don't know if we've ever been to the beach at night. Do you like it? What are you doing now? Digging! Wow. Very intense.
I just digging a hole.
Yeah.
And no smash. Dig.
Okay, good job.
Wait,
Daddy, I'm
You okay?
you're digging?
dig.
Any
You
dig?
okay?
Dig. And you dig with me.
Hi, Bubba. You guys surprised us. We were throwing rocks into the ocean
What?
and digging.
You got it on video, right?
Dig. Not at all. I was enjoying most of it with her. We recorded a little bit.
Ow! And you put me.
Oh, he didn't mean to. Are you okay?
Look
Here.
at he's getting it with you. He's trying to get it with you.
She said, I'm gonna dig with my cutie hands.
My cutie hands. Get it in the boy. We get it.
Uh-oh.
Come jump with me. Ready? 1, 2.
Nice! Raina, can you say Christmas time in California?
Dig.
What about you, Andy? Feeling okay?
Get round.
In it, boy. Oi. Yay! Get it.
Are you building something, Rains? Are you okay? Are you building something, Rainy? Oh, he lost a sock. You okay? And Raina's building a castle? I'm gonna look around for a sock.
What you doing, Rains? You building a castle?
Trappers for you.
Yeah.
Trappers. Trapper eyes.
You like playing at the beach, Rains?
Yes. Dig.
Is it so fun?
Yes. Dig.
Dig. Get it, Rains.
Dig. Darting around and do this darting around like this. Here, Dad.
Yeah, baby.
This is amazing.
That's amazing. Let's look at it. It's a circle. You were so silly, Rains. Indy's gonna get you.
Careful.
Run. You okay? Indy. Oh.
Hey, Andy.
Oh, he'd be delicious.
He's gonna bite his head. Eat it for breakfast. Eat it for breakfast. Yeah.
Andy.
You wanna boom me?
No, don't move me. Let's go get in there. I
Oi,
can't
oi, 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 oi.
That was a good little slap.
That was a good one. Oh, buddy.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Should I feed it?
No, do not. That's the reason you don't. Show the deal.
Where'd he go? Probably went in there.
I get it. Here. You want another fry? How's the burger?
Good.
So good.
Way over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like I may be busting out. Now that's just my monster. I will be coming out with my Mundo monster.
Oh.
I know, they get bigger.
They get bigger.
You ready, Rand?
Yeah, it's 25% bigger.
I'm ready.
than the
You
monster.
ready, Rain? Are you
That's
ready
the
for it?
Mundo. That's bigger than the Mundo. That's the Mundo. Yeah, I know, I make up the names myself. Here we go. I yell bubble, you yell attack. Bubble?
Rain's go get one.
I'll come with you.
Count.
And this is where your kids get shampoo and exercise. Alright, time for a bubble dragon. Alright, kids, sit down, please. Bigger. Everybody goes, whoa. When it pops, what do you do? Oh. It's what you do anyway. Kind of the magic.
Kind of like a magic.
Well, it is. Except this magic's real. Here we go.
The magic is real.
Some magic is.
Like Santa's magic.
Magic is usually just unexplained science. Alright, here we go. Ready? And go! That's alright, we'll call that one practice. And that was good. Good try, everybody. Let's try it one more time.
What did you open?
And remember, don't pop it. If it comes at you, let it grow. And go! No, move! Alright, sorry folks, that's not a bubble dragon yet. Somebody keeps popping it. Like I said, if it comes at you, go to one side. Allow the bubble to grow. All right, here we go. Hey, oh no, put that back, please. Whose child? Nice. Can we use helper? wants to see the backup plan? No? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, stand up for the backup plan. We'll do another bubble dragon. Don't worry. Are you sure you want to see the backup plan?
No! Yes!
Back up!
Attack the bubbles! Attack the
A nadie se le dice que tenemos perro, ¿ok? Luis, let's go. Luis, let's go. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Vamos por Spider-Man. Acá está Spider-Man.
You what?
Do again with you, Mom.
Yeah, I hope so. Let's see if he blows more bubbles. Yay! Yeah! Indy found a friend with a ball.
He said, "You guys staying here for a while, or are you heading out?" I said, "I think we're hanging out." He said, "You guys can play with the ball 20-30 minutes until I leave."
That's so nice.
Yeah, good job.
Good kicking, Indy. Oh! Go get it! Go get it!
Wait.
You want higher?
Oh, these kids are gonna keep me
Higher.
higher. Okay. Let's see. Is it Rainey's turn?
Yeah, and do one.
Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Yes, just like that.
Buddy.
Higher! Higher on that! My turn! My turn! My turn! My turn! My turn! My turn!
Rainy, relax.
Goodness. Oh my gosh, Rains. Was that a big bubble?
Sit down.
Sit down.
I'm bubble sticker. You have that one.
Do you want to go get another one?
Yes, I'm bubble.
Okay, let's go get another one.
Daddy, no. I will give one home and down.
Okay, go get it. Which one do you get?
This one.
You got another one? Indy. Wow. Is that a friend?
Yeah.
Indy. Where are you going? Indy. No. Whoop. Whoop. I'm gonna get you. Indy, you're crazy.
You.
Okay. Here, just hold it and then run around.
And take a picture of you.
You
You run around.
There you go. Look, look, look.
And run around. You run around.
No, run around.
Those are your pictures.
Oh, thank you. Wait, wait, wait.
Drop it around.
Yeah, you dropped it. Ding, 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 ding.
I'll just be like sleeping on top of each other.
Why are
And then they'll
going
just start climbing. Like, look at these ones. It just hops up to like, it's like, and then you're like, I know.
Duck it.
Yeah.
Wow, we're really close. They sure make funny noises, huh? Look at this white one. Little white one.
Let's go.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go.
Look at those funny birds.
Let's go.
You want to go through there? Let's go. It sure is noisy, huh? Okay, you want to go through here with me?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me which way to go. This way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is this the right way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, seems pretty cool. A little bit slippery. Oh, now there's water. How are we going to get around the water? Maybe we can step across right here. Okay, you ready? Step across to right here. And then right here. Oh, no, no water on my shoes. And then here. And then here. And then here. And then we can go through here.
No. Maybe here.
Maybe this way?
Maybe
Maybe right there? How about right here? How about this part? I want to go around this way. Bonk your head. Don't bonk your head. Let's go through there. Let's go through here.
No.
Let's go this way. I want to show you this way.
No.
We'll do a little circle through here.
No.
No? You want to stand right here? Let me get a picture of you, okay?
No.
Rains, what's Daddy doing?
Run in water.
He's going in the water?
Yes, and swim within goggles.
Swim with his goggles. You're right.
I don't know about this, man. What do you think, Rains? Should we get in? Are you gonna come with me?
No.
Look at this seagull trying to get in this person's bag.
Okay.
terrible. And then says, wait a minute, actually. Come on, Rain. Come here.
Throw your knuckles up.
Put your binoculars on.
I said, throw your knuckles up.
You mean goggles?
Knuckles on, Dad.
Right? You don't have your phone, right?
So you got his GoPro on?
No, he doesn't have it at all. So he's just doing it for the fun of it.
Here comes a wave. There it goes. Raina, what you making?
I'm doing shots.
Oh.
It's just burps.
Orange fish, like big goldfish.
Really?
Yeah, and then like some striped ones. And
So you're done for real?
I'll get back in.
Yeah, go.
I'm just giving you an update.
Oh, thanks.
Brittany! Did you see Dada?
She's just digging in the sand. Yeah. Wow. You want to dip your hands in? Okay, hold on.
What is it? Who is that? Who is that? And look who's right here.
You didn't answer the video.
It's videoing. Look, helicopter. And a birdie. And look down here, it's crabs. Little animals. See? Yay! See them? Yay!
Mom!
Yeah. Okay. You good? He's almost done. Watch him swim, and then we'll head back to the house. This is crazy. So they're not always here, right? Just in the winter?
No, they are every day.
Really?
Yeah, they're every day.
Wow.
It's their home now.
Wow.
So this one has a little one here.
I can't believe we've never been here before.
I know, my friend told me that we should come here.
Wow.
She brought me here one time.
Seal right behind him.
This actually might fit your
11.
plus. No, yours had the 2.
Whoa, here comes the water.
Can you say hi? We got a little too close. That was just it telling us too close. And then it went away.
Because he's got little babies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, wipe it on my legs if you need. I said my legs.
There's, look on Zebra.
Okay.
Zebra.
You want to go jump again?
No.
Let's go look at the seals closer.
No.
You don't want to? Okay. Okay, no problem.
Let's go on that one.
Let's go where?
And this is
Okay, sounds fun.
got some water. Some water.
I bet that water's cold. Oh, careful. Careful.
That's sandwater.
Slippery, huh?
It's sandwater.
Sand water. Be careful. Whoa, good job.
Sand.
You jumped.
Let's go.
Which way do you want to go? Oh, look, another cave by this bird.
It's very dark.
Yeah.
I got bigger. It's two.
Yeah.
I got bigger. Bigger,
Fun, huh?
bigger, bigger. I got bigger.
Okay, you want to jump up? Good.
It's so slippery.
Is it?
Go down.
Let's go rinse our feet off, okay?
Let's go.
You doing okay?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Let's go find Mama and Indy.
I'm Grandma too.
Maybe your dad is back too. You want to do that one?
You're doing that one.
Oh, this one's for me? Thank you. Oh, all gone. I'll do it. Get ready.
Maybe like this, down, low. Maybe down low.
Down low?
We do it.
Okay, let's go find your mom. I'll carry you so you don't get your feet dirty again. Actually, let's rinse them again and then I'll get you.
Where's Indy?
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo.
Where's Raina?
Peekaboo!
No?
Where'd Rin go? Boom. No, not in the mood for it.
Not feeling it?
Peekaboo!
Where's Indy? Boo. 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 Boo.
Oh, this camera is so much.
Gotta find our car, babe. The sunset matches your shirt.